Hello everyone, my name is Pia J. Paracha from Best IT 3B. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to assess and identify web application vulnerabilities using Burp Suite. So we'll go through the process of intercepting and modifying web traffic, exploiting SQL injection, and cross-site scripting vulnerabilities, discussing the concept of insecure direct object reference, and performing an automated vulnerability scan with a final report. So these demonstrations will help illustrate how attackers can take advantage of weaknesses in web applications. And why it's critical to understand and secure these systems. So let's begin by intercepting and modifying HTTP requests using Burp Suite's proxy tool. So this allows us to see and change data as it's sent from the browser to the server. So first, we need to open our Burp Suite. So here. So next is navigate to proxy here and ensure the intercept is on. So next, we will open our browser and visit Altoro Mutual. So let's search Altoro Mutual. So click on sign in. And try natin mag-enter ng any dummy credential. For example, test user, test pass, login. Wait natin. So, dito, makikita natin na yung request is na-capture ng Burp. So, let's review the request. So, let's highlight the HTTP headers like host here and user agent here and the content line here. So, makikita natin dito na yung tinypecast natin kanina sa website is andito like itong test user and test pass. So, let's modify the value of the UID to admin. And click forward to send the request. So, wait natin. So, wait lang natin. So, makikita natin dito is login failed. We're sorry but this username or password was not found in our system. Please try again. So, we've intercepted and modified the login request before it reached the server. So, this shows how an attacker can tamper with user input. So, if the application does not validate or sanitize inputs properly, it may respond with unauthorized access or unexpected behavior. So, this emphasizes the importance of proper server-side validation.